Taking a look at a 1971 Triumph TR6 today, and the reason we're going to start off by looking at the undercarriage is because there's a lot of good stuff going on down here. This is a 5-speed transmission from a Toyota Supra. It's known as the R154. Car also has a full stainless exhaust from the manifold back by Rimmer Brothers in the UK. And you'll notice that the differential is different. Yes, this is from an Infinity Q45. This is a 369 limited slip diff known as the R200V. Very desirable piece for this type of conversion. So let's get the car down on the ground. We'll take it for a drive. So taking a look at the body and paint, paint's not great. It's got a lot of areas of checking throughout. Doesn't look bad from 10 feet away, but that's just it. It's a 10-footer. Got a little dent here. My hand here on the exhaust manifold shows the motor's cold. Gonna start it up, go for a drive.